Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to export Notion to PDF, just like this one right here. Okay, and everything here is clickable. I'll show you this later though. So first, you open up your Notion, and you come here at the top right, click on these three dots, and scroll down here and click on Export. Okay, now make sure the export format is selected as PDF. Usually by default, it will be Markdown and CSV. Make sure it's PDF. And I'm including the databases for the current view, what I'm seeing right now. Okay. And I will include all the content. Okay. Whether I have files, images, everything. I want everything here. And page format, usually it will be letter. I would like to set it to A4. Okay. Can go do that as well. Scale percentage, I'll do it at 100%. The normal scale. And this is if you have the business plan. You can also include subpages as well in its own PDF file. So come here, click on export. As you can see, the export is going to start, and then it will download a zip file. Okay, but I'll show you exactly how to extract that. It's very easy once the zip file downloads. As you can see right here, it has begun downloading. And what you do is right click and then click on show in folder. Okay. All right, here we go. We have our zip file. So you just right click on that, right? And then click on extract files. I'll extract them right here. So I'll just click on OK. That is perfectly fine. And here we go. We have our folder. I'll open this up and I have my PDF file right here. So I can open this up in a new tab and everything here works, guys. So if I click on this link, for example, okay, on this task name, it actually redirects you to that Notion webpage. And here I can view everything about this task or a project. Okay, everything is visible. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.